In this video, I will teach you how to convert Canva website to WordPress. So the first thing you need to do is to head over to Canva. Then from in there, just go to canva.com, which is their website. You can either sign up or log in. So if you do not have an account yet, click onto this sign up. But if you already do, head over and click onto this login. Since I already have an account, let me head over and click on login, and I can log in using these options right here. So this is what my account or what my Canva looks like. Head over and click onto this website right here, and it should be able to prompt us to open in here our site. So let me head over and then design a site first. From in there, you can actually explore some templates that you can use. In my case, let me head over and choose in here this website right here, and let's head over and apply this website. And you should be able to find them all together into this part once you're trying to actually edit your Canva. So once you're done with designing your site, next thing that you need to do is you need to head over and then embed it. Click on the share option that we can see right here. Now from in there, you can scroll down and click onto this see all. Click onto this embed. And then in here, click onto this embed option. You can embed it on your WordPress. So in here we have the HTML embed code as well as the smart embed link. Let's copy this HTML embed code and let's head over right here into our WordPress. Onto your WordPress, head over and click on the view site, or you can also edit your site using this way. Click on this edit site option. Into this part, head over and click on this plus icon. Click on this search and search in here for embed. Now in here we can see this, so you can just drag it and put it wherever you want it. I'll put it in the above corner, and we have in here this. Input right here the embed URL and click onto this embed. Then from in there they should be able to embed that site as well. As you can see, this will load a little, and then click onto this try again if it's not trying to display it. Once it's done, you should be able to embed it directly from there. So that's how you convert Canva website to WordPress. Hope we helped.